In our previous video, we learned how we can send JSON data from our Lambda, but now we want to see how we can send HTML data as well, because we want to host dynamic websites. Okay. To do that, we have to change the content type. By default, the content type is application JSON, and it doesn't work with API gateway proxy properly. So we need to pass content type headers. To pass it, we simply go here and in the response we create headers and it takes an object, and this is Cloud9 IDE. So obviously it's not that great as your VS Code or a NeoVim IDE setup, but yeah, it works. You can do basic things here. So I'll have to add quotes and here as well, and I will remove JSON stringify and I will put hello h1 so that we get to see a bigger h1 text. Okay, and we don't see this JSON. Okay, and if I show you headers, so you get to see the content type was application JSON, but here is like content type charset. This is UTF-8. If you are sending multi-form data, you will do this. This is how things work at the end. Okay, now I'll deploy this. It's pretty quick. It gets deployed. It's just a single region. We are deploying this to North Virginia. You can also deploy it globally using Lambda Edge. I'll reload this. Well, there we go. We got this hello from Lambda. So if I inspect and go to the network tab and I'll hit all and I'll reload, so you get to see this. So here we have this content type text HTML, and this is what tells browser how this should be treated. Okay, and if you inspect, you will get to see there is this body and h1. I think browser did this automatically. If we go to view source, this is all we get to see. So yeah, this is all we are sending here. Alright, if you want to do something dynamic, I can make it a template string now, and I can get the time from the server. Let's do .to string. I'll deploy it. You can also plug in React here or Solid or whatever you want, and you can make it render the entire HTML here and send JavaScript as well from here. So I'll now reload this, and there you go. Every time I reload, the second is changing, you see. So yeah, and it's from server. So if I go and in the source as well, so this is what we are getting to see. How cool it is, isn't it? So yeah, that's how we can create lambdas. We can do a lot of things, and after we are done with CDK, we will see how we can integrate API gateway, and we will integrate lambda layers, and all those things will be there in the next section. So stay tuned.